hush me, my baby, thy sire was a knight, thy mother a lady, both gentle and bright, both gentle and bright. The woods and the glens from the towers which we see, they're all belonging to thee, they're all belonging, dear baby, to thee. Oh, hush me, my baby, oh, hush me, my baby, oh, hush me, my baby. Oh, fear not the bugle, though loudly it blows, it calls but the warders that guard thy repose, that guard thy repose. Their bows would be bended, their blades would be red, ere the step of a foeman draws near, ere the step of a foeman draws near to thy bed. Oh, hush me, my baby, oh, hush me, my baby, oh, hush me, my baby. Oh, hush me, my baby, the time soon will come when the sleep shall be broken by trumpet and drum, by trumpet and drum. Then hush me, my darling, take rest while you may, for strife comes with manhood and waking with day, for strife comes with manhood and waking with day. Oh, hush me, my baby, 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 oh, hush me, my baby. The tide rises, the tide falls, the twilight darkens, the curlew calls. Along the sea sands damp and brown, the traveller hastens toward the town, and the tide rises, the tide falls. Darkness settles on roofs and walls, but the sea in the darkness calls and calls. The little waves with their soft white hands efface the footprints in the sands, and the tide rises, the tide falls. The morning breaks, the steeds in their stalls stamp and neigh as the hostler calls. The day returns, but never more returns the traveler to the shore, and the tide rises, the tide falls. It's a warm wind, the west wind, full of birds' cries. I never hear the west wind, but tears are in my eyes. For it comes from the westland, the old brown hill. flowers blossom there, and the air's like wine. There is cool green grass there, where men may lie at rest, and the thrushes are in song there, fluting from their nest.
Will ye not come home, brother? Ye have been long away. It's April and blossom time, and white is the May, and bright is the sun, brother, and warm is the rain. Will ye not come home, brother? Come home to us again.
It's a white road westward, it's a road I must tread, to the green grass, the cool grass, and rest for heart and head, to the violets and the warm hearts and the thrushes' song, in the fine land, the westland, the land where I was born. On Newlyn Hill the ghost is bright, upon the hedgerows left and right. Some busy birds as springtime greet, the bluebirds weave beneath the purple sheet, primroses star the lane's green night. Across the bay, across the bay, across the bay, each white rose golden in the evening light, and dusk walks violet eyed and sweet. On Newlyn Hill, on Newlyn Hill, a swarm of lights, pearl soft and white, of fairies and plant exquisite. Oh, scented stars rise at the feet of hills where shore and wavelets meet. Then dreams come mystic, infinite. On the spring had come, the flowers in bloom, the birds sang out their lay. Down by a little running stream, I first saw Maggie May. the day. Her heart was ever pure and true, my little Maggie May. My little witching Maggie, singing all the day. Oh, how I loved her, none can tell, my little Maggie May. And oh, her voice was sweet and low, and like an angel's lay. I hear it now where'er I go, the voice of Maggie May. My little witching Maggie, sing all the day. Oh, how I love her, none can tell, my little Maggie May. The years have flown, my eyes are dim, my hair is scant and grey, yet never shall I cease to love my long-lost Maggie May. My little witching Maggie, singing all the day. Oh, how I loved her, none can tell, my little Maggie May. Here's a health to the King and a lasting peace, to faction an end, to wealth increase. Come, let us drink it while we have breath, for there's no drinking after death. And he that will this health deny, down among the dead men, down among the dead men, down the dead men, down among the dead men, let him lie. Let charming beauty's health go round, in whom celestial joys are found, and may confusion still pursue the senseless woman-hating crew. And they that woman's health deny, down among the 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 dead men, let them lie. In smiling Becca's joys I'll roam, deny no pleasure to my soul. Let Becca's health round briskly move, for Becca's is a friend to love. And he that will his health deny, down among the dead men, down among the dead men, down the dead men, down among the dead men, We'll sing the joys that both afford, and they that won't with us comply. Down, 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 down among the dead men. suitor fine, spun the maid, shed many a tear. There did suitor fine appear. Seamen bold, all you that march to drum, let's go and look for Captain Ward far on the sea he roams. He is the biggest robber that ever you did hear. There's not been such a robber found for above this 100 year. A ship was sailing from the east and going to the west with silks and satins and velvets of the best. But meeting there with Captain Ward, it proved a bad meeting. He robbed them of all their wealth and bid them tell their king. Oh, then the king provided a ship of noble fame. She's called the Royal Rainbow, if you would know her name. She was as well provided for as any ship could be. Full 1,300 men on board to bear her company. 'Twas 8 o'clock in the morning, they began to fight, and so they did continue till 9 o'clock at night. Fight on, Captain, this was what pleases me. For if you fight this month, of March, your master I will be. Your master I will be. Oh, then the gallant Rainbow, she fired in vain, till 36 of her men all on the deck were slain. Go home, says Captain Ward, and tell your king from me, if he reigns king on all the land, Ward will reign king on the sea. Fare you well, my dear, I must be gone and leave you for a while. If I roam away, I'll come back again, though I roam 10,000 miles, my dear. Though I roam 10,000 miles. As fellow art my bonny lass, so dear love am I, but I never left a pretty girl I love, till the stars above song, but I never met the pretty girl I loved, till all things be done, my dear, till all those things be done. Oh, yonder doth sit that little turtle dove. He doth sit on yonder high tree, a-making a moan for the loss of his love, as I will do for thee, my dear, as I will do for Up with the Jolly Roger boys, and off we go to sea. There's heaps of fun with the Jolly Roger's hung, and the wind is on the lee, and the wind is on the lee. Blow high, blow low, it's up to sea we go, without a single light in the pale moonlight. Us small buccaneers will go. Up with the Jolly Roger boys, and fling me to the breeze. Get gun and cutlass well in trim for treasure ship to seize. Ho ya ho ya ho ya ho, it's off to sea we go. For ship from Spain we're off across the main, like old buccaneers go. Sea-dogs aboard, they chase the beggars across the sea. Ah, ha, 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 me. And made them pay their toll. Oh, down to the bottom of the sea they go. Oh, 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 oh. Westmen, never, never fear the foe. Here's to each man of the jolly, jolly crew, who sail the deep blue sea, who sail the deep blue sea, who sail the deep blue sea. With the Jolly Jolly Roger flying bold and free, and the prize of the Spanish Main may be, then home we come, yo ho, and the girls will be waiting on the quay, I know. For the man who sailed the Main, for the man who sailed the Main, yo ho, yo ho, ha, 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 ha. Yo-ho! Come, let us join the roundel and sing a joke on the time away. Fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la. While the foams and swans and throngs and sides are sung, and sides of wrongs and sides of fairy ground. Come, let us join the roundel and sing a joke on the time away. Fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la. While the foams and sides of wrongs and sides are sung, and sides of wrongs and sides of fairy ground, and the merry nymphs and swains gaily trip these rural plains. La 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 and the merry nymphs and swains gaily trip these rural plains. La 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 la, la 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 la. horse's feet. Don't go drawing back the blind or looking in the street. Them that ask no questions isn't told no lie. So watch the wall, my darling, while the gentlemen go by. Watch the wall, my darling, while the gentlemen go by. 5 and 20 ponies trotting through the dark, brandy for the parson, baccy for the clerk, laces for a lady, letters for a spy, and watch the wall, my darling, watch the wall, while the gentlemen go by. Running round the woodlot, if you chance to find little barrels, roped and tarred, all full of brandy wine, don't you shout to come and look, nor use them for your play. Put the brushwood back again, and they'll be gone next day. Put the brushwood back again, and they'll be gone next day. If you see a stable door setting open wide, if you see a tired horse lying down inside, if your mother mends a coat cut about and torn, if the lining's wet and warm, don't you ask no more. If the lining's wet and warm, don't you ask no more. 5 and 20 ponies trotting through the dark, brandy for the parson, baccy for the clerk, laces for a lady, letters for a spy, and watch the wall, my darling, watch the wall, while the gentlemen go by. If you meet King George's men dressed in blue and red, you'll be careful what you say, and mindful what is said. If they call you pretty maid and chuck you neath the chin, don't you tell where no one is. Don't you tell where no one is, nor yet where no one's been. Don't you tell where no one is, nor yet where no one is. Don't you tell where no one is, nor yet where no one's been. 5 and 20 ponies trotting through the dark, brandy for the parson, baccy for the clerk, laces for a lady, letters for a spy, and watch the wall.